So ordering rational numbers, a factor fib question here. A list of numbers is shown below. I'm going to go ahead and solve this. Which list shows the numbers in ascending order? Ascending order right over there. So we don't have multiple choice. I'm going to go ahead and try to put these in ascending order. Hopefully I'll do it correctly. You can let me know factor fib. But ascending means we want least to greatest. Ascending, we want to start at the bottom and we want to build up, like building up. So we have 4/3. We have negative 9 basically hundredths. We have 1 3/10. We have 85 as a percent, and then we have negative 3/8. Best thing to do is turn these all into decimals. I'm going to do that real quick. So 4/3 real quick is the same as 1 1/3 if I turn this into a mixed number. So 1 1/3 is the same as 1.33 repeating. So I know I've got that value. This is already a decimal, negative 900, so I can just write this down right over here. Same thing with 1.3. 85%, in order to do that, I just need to move the decimal 2 places. So I'm going to get comma 85 hundredths, and then finally 3/8. Real quick, that's like negative 3/8, but that's negative, 3/8 looks like that. That's 3 on the inside, 8 on the outside, top number inside, bottom number outside, so it's basically like 3.0. 8 does not go into 3, 8 goes into 33 times. You get 24, because 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract to get 60 with the 0. 8 goes into 67 times. 8 times 7 is 56. And when we subtract, I'm going to get a 4. I can always bring down a 0. And 8 goes evenly into 40 5 times. So I would get 375,000. So when I come back here, this is 0.375. So these are my values right here. Now I need to have them in ascending order, least to greatest. So if I do that real quick, I think the smallest value that I have, the best thing to do here is if I make some space real fast, sorry to have to erase, but if I line these up by place value, that will help. I know I have 1 decimal, basically repeating 3's. I know I have a negative right here, negative 0.09. I have 1.3, which would be this one here. Got that one, which would basically be like 1.30. I have 0.85, which would be that one right here. And then finally I have decimal point 375. 5 numbers, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So now I'm putting these in order, least to greatest. The smallest is going to be my negative values, and again this 3/8 right here, sorry, should be a negative. Don't want that to throw you off. Negative there, negative there. So negatives, which one is the smallest? Which one's the furthest away? Okay, well, when I look at this, I'm going to say the smallest value that I have is negative 3/8, because, let me get some space here, negative 3/8. Let me clear this out. Clear ink. So negative 3/8 is the smallest because that's furthest away from 0 down the number line. Okay. Next would be negative 9 hundredths. So negative 0.09, because it's negative, but it's closer to 0 than this one is right over here. I can tell by my place values. Next, I'm just going to go up by my place values here. The next one up is going to be 0.85 or 85 hundredths. And then from there, I'm going to have 1 3/10 or 1 30 hundredths, however you want to put that. And then finally, 1.33, which is basically the largest value, which is going to be my 4/3. So this gets them all in the correct order. Remember, this one was 85%. And this gets them all in the correct ascending order from least to greatest. So what do you think? Did I do it correctly? fact or fib. If you think I did it correctly, you can put fact. If not, you can put fib, and then explain what you think I did wrong. Go ahead.